Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Obsolete Techie. On this episode we're going to be taking a look at the Dell Dimension 3000. That's the one we have here right now. And we're going to be cleaning it up for a bit. It's pretty dusty inside and we're going to just take it apart and have a good cleaning on it. Last time I did turn it on and it does work. I know it's functioning. It's just that it's really dirty inside. And especially this build or this computer is actually from 2005, what I can tell from the manufacturer's stamps. It was built in 2004 September or in August, depending on what you're looking at. So yeah, I'll probably do some testing on it, do some benchmarking on it, play some games with it, and this is a really nice system. It's not a AGP it doesn't have an AGP slot on it. It's mostly PCI on it, but it's still a Pentium 4. I think it's a 3 GHz, and the front side bus is 800 MHz on this thing. So yeah, that means it's using the PC 3200 memory modules, which is the fastest one for DDR1. And this model actually has been upgraded to 1 GB exactly. So yeah, and the hard drive, it's an 80 GB hard drive on this one. So yeah, let's tear it apart, and we're gonna be cleaning it like I mentioned, and we're gonna put it back together and do some testing on this computer. Probably I might make another episode, make it a 2 episode. I don't want to spend too much time on on one episode because it's gonna be probably more than 3 minutes. Okay, so let's start. Fluffy. What's this anything? Okay, so we have the Dell Dimensions put back together, and I'm gonna be powering on right now and see if everything turns on properly. Looks like it's working as it should. Oh, I have to set it up first. I need to change the CMOS battery on it. But before I do that, let's change this something here. I don't know why it's not on. Oh, I know I forgot. I forgot to power it on. Be right back. Okay. See if it'll detect it. Nope. Now let's go here. Boot sequence. It is installed. Why is it not giving me? Okay. Why is it not detecting? Idle. That's where I need to go. Okay, let's try it. F10. Or how do I get out? Oh, escape. Okay, so Windows XP is loading from the original hard drive. Alright, so I guess I can do some testing now. Let me bring some of my stuff and we'll start doing that right now. Okay, so I have here, I'm trying to install 3D Mark 99 and I'm getting this error code, so I gotta show you guys what it's doing. Yeah, now it's taking a while. Oh, bummer. Probably fast forward to where it's starting to try to install, but for some reason it's giving me an error. Huh. Wow. Now froze. Yeah, still good. There we go. Okay, so I guess this is the original process of, you know, installing it. You fast forward all this stuff, and once I go here, yep, there's the error. So this is the error that I'm getting. Yeah, so yeah, and I'm able to install the 3D Mark 2000, but once I start running it, it freezes completely. Oh shoot. Oh. Yeah, it won't respond. Yeah, see, mouse won't even work. Yeah, oh, I don't know what's doing that. Cancel. Yeah, it's not responding. yeah, it just froze. And I know the processor on this thing is going 100 miles an hour because it's not responding at all. It's just dead. So yeah, I'm having problems with that. I'm hoping once I install the graphics card, that solves kind of the problem that I'm having. If not, I'm gonna have to probably on this hard, well, not this hard, I'll probably get another hard drive and installed Windows XP just to do testing. And yeah, we'll go from there. Yeah, it just froze, so I'll probably have to turn it off through here. Come on, turn off. Oh man, it's taking a while. There we go. Okay, so since we're having problems with this hard drive, the next step is to get another hard drive, an NTM hard drive. So yeah, I bought this at a local used computer store. Paid 18 bucks, as you can see right there. And I'm gonna be installing it with Windows XP, and gonna see if it clears the problems that I'm having with 3D Mark. But before I do that, I wanna test the video card on it first, which I have it somewhere here. Okay, so I'll use the video card that I have here, the GeForce 6200. And if it doesn't solve this problem, then I'm gonna do that real quick. But I know for sure that this is not the problem. Something has to do with the installation on that one. Maybe some files are corrupted or something that's making not be compatible with 3D Mark. I don't know. But yeah, I'll do that first, and then I'll install this if it doesn't work. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so let's open up this one. And install it. Really brand new. I think it was used. There's the dates, I guess, but I don't know if it's from factory or just last time it was used. But yeah, let's just install it. One of those open slots that we have here. Screwdriver. Oh, please. Okay. That's it. So yep. Okay. Oh, go. All right. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have an issue with this. Yeah. So I have to install first the drivers. Oh, come on. Just hold on. Okay. That thing is so sensitive. Okay. restart. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, shifted it wrong. There we go. Oh, come on. Okay. Alright, so I'll probably have to... Oh, shit. Oh, nice. They got straps here. Okay, so what am I doing? I need to see first over here. Oh man, this thing's slow. Okay, I need to switch them around. Let's see if I can pick it up. Oh, come on, work. There we go. Okay, so that's, okay, that's a second. There we go. We got it. Oh. We got it working. Now I gotta disable this one. Don't extend it. Man, this thing's slow. Okay. Alright, let's see. Let's try if it'll run 3D Mark this time. But now I'll probably have to reinstall the DirectX 8 or, I mean 9. Come on. Oh no. Yeah, I did it again. No. They crashed it. Oh crap. Let's see if I can get it working. Okay, so I'm installing Windows XP. I think it's the professional edition. And the reason is because uh, the hard drive that I had before, while it is working and fine and everything, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just something wrong with the installation. So I did. I got a hard drive, and I'm installing into this one now. But yeah, I did run some games with the new card, and it runs good. But I can't get 3D Mark to work on this computer. So that's the reason I'm installing Windows XP again. So yeah, I'll probably be doing testing with this new hard drive, and I will compare them from with the card or without the card and see the difference. What's if there's any issues with that. Okay, so I'll just continue. I'll fast forward for you guys, and yeah, we'll see you in a bit. Well, I just installed the Windows XP on this system, and as you can see, it's running fine. I was able to install other games too, so now I can do more testing on this. But we're not gonna be showing that stuff today in this episode. We're just gonna be doing some 3D Mark 2000 and 2001, and showing you what it can do with the new card, with the GeForce 6200. And yeah, let's start by first showing the GPU Z program that I have here. And yeah, it's interesting that, well, it's showing the Intel for some reason, but yeah, here it is, the NVIDIA GeForce 6200. And what comes to my mind is, well, it's PCI like I mentioned, and yeah, it's not bad. I mean, it's really good. DDR2 512. What kills it a little bit is the 64-bit bus width right there. But the bandwidth is not bad. It's 4.3 gigabytes, so it kind of makes up for the slowness that can get, with the games. So that means no anti-alias and stuff like that. This can be struggling to keep up. So yeah, but yeah, let's run some tests, especially 3D Mark 2000 and 3D Mark 2001. Okay, and next episode we can actually see some game footage. We'll use my other computer to capture some video of the gameplay. And yeah, let's start with this first. Now that we have run 3D Mark 2000 and 3D Mark 2001 and gave us an idea of what it can do with this graphics card, on the next episode we're gonna do a little bit different. We're gonna run it without the card and see what's the difference between those two, and we also might do some comparison games with the card and without the card, and show you guys what it comes out to. Okay, well, thank you for watching this episode, and we'll see you on the next one.